what's going? It's Sudha here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how switch statement works in Java. So guys, as you see, multiple if-else if statements increase the complexity of the program. So here, to reduce the complexity, switch statement is used. It is basically a good alternative of nested if-else. So get started. Here the syntax of switch statement is just use switch keyword and within parentheses use your expression, and then body of the switch start and close, and within the body of switch you can using multiple cases, and then you can see that break statement is used at the end of each case. It is basically used to exit from a switch body when any one case become true. And at the last you can see default statement is used here. It's actually execute only when the result of expression does not match with any case label. So guys, here take an example of input a character from a user and checks whether it's a vowel or consonant. So guys, here first open Notepad and make a class, and that is vowel, and then body of the class, and here public static void main, and then string arg, and here closes body of the main start. Declare a variable that is character type ch, variable name, and here I want to take input from the user, so first import a package. So guys, here import your package, import java.util.scanner, and then terminate this. Now create the object of scanner class. Here scanner ob is equal to new scanner, and then system.in, and then here terminate this. Now use system.out.print to print a message on the screen within double quotes. Please enter a character. So guys, here within double quotes, and then we'll use ch variable, and then using object taking input from the user dot, here we want to take input characters, so use dot next parenthesis dot character at, and then 0, terminate this. And this one is actually used for taking input from the user, and then switch statement. So here we use switch, and then expression that is used variable here ch, and then body of the switch start, and here case, first case used small letter a, that is vowel, and then colon, and here case if user enter uppercase letter a. So guys, here again colon, and print message using system dot out dot print, and here ln for new line, and here terminate, within double quotes we write your message here, you enter vowel. So guys, here you enter vowel, that one is message as it's print on the screen, terminate this, and now break this one, break. So guys, here now copy this and paste this, paste this, and again paste this. So guys, here here this one is used for A and this one actually used for E and capital E, and here A, E, I, and here one I, small letter, and capital letter I, so O, and for capital letter O, and then the last one is U. So here use small letter and capital letter. So guys, here at the last, and this one is first case, and this is one is your second case, and this one third case, fourth and fifth case. So guys, here at the last use your default statement, default, and then colon. So again message system dot out dot print ln, and here message you enter consonant, and then terminate this, and body of the switch close, here close switch, this one is actually message, and now body of main close, and here body of class close, class body close. And now save this program, Ctrl+S, in C drive JDK 1.7 bin folder, and within double quotes write your class name, and here I'll use vowel, that is our class name. Here you can see that vowel, and with an extension .java, and here double quotes, save this program, yes. And now cmd set the path cd jdk 1.7 cd bin, and then for compilation java c class name, that is all, and then .java, and enter this invalid, java c vowel .java, enter this. So compilation successful. Now to run this java class name here, vowel, so enter this, we get the output, please enter a character. Now I'm gonna enter A, and then enter this, you enter vowel. So again run this java and vowel. So now I will enter V. So guys, here enter this, you enter consonant. So guys, here first control move into the main function, and here declare variable that is character type. So guys, this one actually used for taking character input from the user. Next, control move to the next statement, and then read switch and expression. So guys, here this one actually expression, CS variable is used as an expression. The value that entered by the user is assigned to CS variable. So guys, here if user enter value of CS, that is CS is equal to, if user enter capital U, so the value of CS variable match with each case. So U is matched with first case A, so it become wrong, so it will skip, and then U is again matched with the second one case, it become again wrong. So guys, this one statement skipped. So control move to the next case and match the value of variable. So guys, here it again become wrong and wrong, this will also skip, and then control move to the next case, and here it will again become wrong, and these are all skip, and this one is actually wrong. So guys, here value of capital U match with small letter u. So guys, here it doesn't match and it read the next case. So guys, here it will match. So control move into the case body and print u enter vowel. So guys, here if user enter ch is equal to y, that is not vowel. So guys, here it will again check the each cases. So each case become wrong and wrong and wrong, and the last one default statement is execute if all case become wrong. So the last one statement you enter consonant will print on the screen. I hope this small video will really help you. If you like the video, then click on like button, subscribe button and share button. If you have any query, then comment below. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.